Well, I got the laundry room all painted and prepared for the new washer dryer unit, except for the molding. This morning the molding was delivered, but it's the wrong kind. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna handle that once the washer dryer is installed. The reveal. Well, from the back side it looks good. How about the front, Diane?
Kind of like a silver gray, charcoal gray.
All right, it looks good from the outside. Trading a new one for an old one. Actually, a new double for two side by side.
They're actually giving it a lift. Oops.
I don't know what I did with my phone.
Here it is.
Wow. It's tight.
Good swing?
Yep, swing. Homes with low ceilings make it more challenging.
Right there.
I should be on the other side, but I can't get there now. Ah,
All right.
that's like a
Leave
giant
it there for right now so I get it all.
furniture slider, like we've been using. There's a Y to the cold water because the dryer has a steam function. That's cool. Turns out the outlet is too far for a 6-foot cord. So we're gonna have to either get a longer cord or move the outlet.
That's it.
Can't plug it in to even test. Okay.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were back there. You can come out.
Okay.
Yeah, it's way too long, so.
So we've got a leaking valve.
Yeah, I can't hook up your water, I can't plug it in.
Can't plug it in. What valve is it? The
It's the cold valve.
cold water.
Hot water's fine.
Well, if I'm gonna replace one, I'll replace both.
Right.
It looks like it'll fit in that opening,
Yeah.
but we need to address the leaking valve and
Yes.
the distance to the outlet.
Okay.
I want one of those.
Yeah, they're really not expensive. I think they're only like 20-30 bucks.
Oh, can you get them at Home Depot?
I think we get them for the U-line, I believe is where we get them.
Well, yeah, come up with what you think would work, and if there's an option, that too, so Diane and I can take a look at it.
Wow, it's pretty good now.
We won't have to water the lawn or gardens for a day or so.
Yeah. Watch your head. Watch lines.
Think about all the work I painted up on the left side after cutting out half the cabinet. But, you know, we didn't know how this LG unit would fit. We got a thunderstorm going on out here and kind of put a delay on the molding cutting and installation. Not good to be outdoors. We needed the rain. No complaints about that. Well, Sky didn't seem to be too disturbed about the storm, and that's good. Shadow was terrified. She's not so sure, though. It's okay. Come on. Come on inside. Good idea to take it apart piece by piece.
Yeah, just dismantle this. It looked a little too sketchy to pull out as one piece, especially with this mess.
Tight quarters here. This will give us some more space for a new cabinet. Piece by piece.
Oh, jeez. So this whole thing's gonna fall now. Good. Take that top off. What I'm gonna do is get over here. Because this is the only problem. This shit right here.
Well, I could disconnect it.
Nope.
Okay. The plumber's supposed to come today.
Can you reach that?
Nope.
Really?
No.
More thunder.
Oh, that's
That might be hot.
no, it's hot. I just can't. It's not screwed out right.
Wow, look what Grandpa did.
Yeah.
I know you listened to it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's gonna happen?
You gotta drop it. Just take that off.
See, I don't. Well, I can't. See, what I'm afraid is gonna happen is when that thing comes out, this thing's gonna fold down.
Do you want to bend those staples a little bit, or?
You're gonna mess the drywall up. Okay, so I got this, so you put pressure on that. There you go.
There it comes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Turned it on.
Yeah, you did.
Could you open that door for me real quick?
Do you want this way?
Yep.
The big one can go up this way.
And now there will be a lightning bolt.
That's what I was afraid.
Cabinet's been removed. A little bit of cleanup. Miss Diane's helping out here. We're just gonna push it back in the LG unit enough so we can get by. And need to paint the area here. But there's no big damage here. This should be fairly easy to repair. Did a great job. It was hazardous. The rain and the thunderstorm put a stop to the work for today. But that's okay. So we got other things done. And that was to remove this old shelf. Lots more room for our laundry center. And the delivery of our new hot water heater has arrived. First, completely shut off the water supply. Then open the pressure relief valve. So I attached this garden hose to the drain on the old hot water heater to drain the water out. Of course, I first turned off the circuit breaker. There's the old water heater, ready to be hauled off to the graveyard. Our remodeled laundry room in action. Working great. And it's taking off. Spin cycle. Got a lot of clothes in there. It can rattle the gutters. Concealed new water tank. Flush mounted LED light. Almost looks like a solar tube. No doors to get in the way. It's attractive enough. We're okay with this. Winding down. The end.